Okay, here I am in 604. This is off, but the lights aren't on. Um, so I go here, and I think it's in the right outlet. But then this might be, yeah. So this is turning it on. This controls how bright it is, but ideally it's left in the on state. So when I'm flipping this switch, it controls it. Leave it in the on, or and then I noticed in the bedroom here, this is also not controlling it. And it's just simply in the wrong outlet. So turning it on, and then these have to be on as well. So